I founded the Barn Door Store in 2012. I actually founded it with my oldest son, Chad. We had a remodeling company here in Scottsdale, and we had been working that for several years, just coming out of the downturn of 9 and 10. People were just starting to ask for barn doors. And the reason we started the company was I couldn't find a good quality barn door, and I knew we could build a really good quality door. So we started building the barn doors for our own needs, for our own projects. And then it just evolved into a company really quickly. Our doors are different than what you can find in the marketplace today, especially at some of the big box stores, because we build our doors out of solid hardwoods. They're just gorgeous, gorgeous woods, and they take stain beautifully. We also have a wide variety of offerings to our customer, whether that be a modern looking door that has glass panels or metal detail. We can have our doors fit into any type of design decor. And it was just my oldest son, Chad, and I that started the company. We started in a little 800 square foot warehouse, just a little bit north of here actually, and just kept growing and growing. Here we are today. I mean, this building is a little over 10,000 square feet, and we've got 16 employees. It's just been an amazing ride.
Our doors are different because we are a one-stop shop when it comes to barn doors. So we provide full service when it comes to helping you what application you need as a barn door. We help you with the design aspect of the barn door, and we install it for you. We have professional installers that have been doing this for 8 years, so we're very confident in our product, and we'll make sure we get you a clean, sturdy install. It's pretty amazing to see a truck of fresh wood come in and then see what our guys create with it about a week later, watching the doors go out.
3 years ago, my son Adam left the corporate finance industry and joined the company as a managing partner. His passion for sales has resulted in tremendous growth in our company.
So our most popular application for a barn door, by far, I would say 60% of our doors are going to be master bedroom to master bathroom. In Arizona, it's always more of an open concept, so there's usually never going to be a door from master bed to master bath. If someone's getting up earlier than someone else in the morning, or whatever the case may be, it's super functional to put a barn door there. We deliver an over-the-top product that you won't be able to find anywhere else.
We're very fortunate. We've got great market share in the state of Arizona. We work with a lot of designers and builders and obviously end users, and our name is really strong. About 4 years ago, we started shipping nationwide, and we got recognized by HGTV, and that really helped our business blossom unbelievably. We've done a lot of high-profile projects. We've done a big hotel in Utah. We've done a lot of commercial stuff here in Arizona. We want to continue down that road and do more of those bigger projects and getting into more commercial projects, as well as continuing to ship more doors around the country. Again, we really provide a specific niche in our business, and these guys take tremendous pride in what they build. And when they build a door for you, I mean, the quality just absolutely shows.